What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually going to be giving you my very first long form piece of content. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that all I really post is YouTube Shorts, which is minute or less videos. I like those. You guys seem to like them. They're very straight to the point. But today I thought I'd come on here and give you guys a full tutorial on Dropispy. So this is Dropispy. This is an ad spy tool that I like to use when I'm trying to find winning products to sell. So if you're excited, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content and it helps the channel grow. Also subscribe to the channel. We're on our journey to 1,000 subscribers and I can only get there with your guys' help. So yeah, let me go ahead and sign in. I think I have the tab open already here. Also, let me know in the comment section if everything sounds okay. I just set up my Blue Yeti mic, my webcam and all of that. So hopefully it sounds okay. If there's anything that'll help the videos be more entertaining or be better to watch, let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely try to take care of it, so bear with me. So yeah, this is Dropispy. It's $35 a month. A lot of people, when they're first starting, they can't really afford AdSpy. AdSpy is probably the best ad spy tool, but it's 150 bucks a month. This one right here is 35 bucks a month, something like that. And I definitely recommend this, especially if you're on a tight budget. So you're greeted here. You have a bunch of different ads that you can go ahead and go through. They have already made filters for you that are called drop shipping, last seen winning products, high engagement, and you can click on these. So last seen winning products will put different filters, and then you can go through and see different products that you can sell. Me personally, I like to make my own filters. I just think that it's why use theirs when I can just create something that's a little bit better. So say for example, I click on filters. The first one that they greet you with is text search. So I can type in garden, right? Say if I want to sell garden products, I just click search and boom, it's going to show me all types of products that either have like garden in their ad copy or deal with some type of thing related to garden, right? So I can scroll through that. That's a good way to find products. Say if you already have a product that's selling and you want to find your competitors, you can just go to text search and find the exact product. Like if you have the name of the product, just type it in there or what you think they would put in their ad copy, and boom, you can find your competitors. Simple, easy, right? So we're not going to talk about that for now. So we're going to skip past that. So post creation date. This is when the post was created. So you can, click on that, do whatever you want there. Media type, I like to always put video, just because if the product doesn't have a video, I most likely am not going to try and sell it, just because I believe that video is going to do better than image ads always. You could create your own video ad, but when you're just testing products, you don't want to go through all that headache if you don't even know if it's a winner yet. So I recommend to put that as video. Page name, I skip past that. Scene date, I usually don't mess with that. First scene or last scene date is what I like to do. So last scene, so this is the last time this ad was seen. So this is good because you want products that are being sold today. You don't want products that are being sold 3 months ago, 5 months ago. I mean, technically, you could, but for me, I like to look at products that are selling within the last month or within the last couple weeks. So for this example, we'll just put the first through today's date, which is the 14th. So we'll put that as our very first filter or second filter. Countries, you can put United States. I usually just put United States, but don't limit yourself to only the United States, because sometimes there may be products that are only being ran in France or ran in Canada or wherever. Just because it's in the United States doesn't mean that that's the only place where you can sell products, right? So for now, I'll just put United States of America because that's usually what I do anyways. Language, you can switch it to English, but again, same thing here. You'd be surprised. You can find other ads and you can see what the product is. Just because it's in a different language doesn't mean that you can't, differentiate what the product is and still go and look it up and see if it's a potential winner. But English just makes it easier. You can read it, whatever. Sex, age, I leave all that, as is. Domain, I leave as is. E-commerce platform, I put Shopify. You can also add WooCommerce if you want to. Call to action, you can change this if you want. You can put shop now, learn more, and what's the other one? Get offer. And I believe that's all the other ones don't really make sense with what you're trying to do. So those three are fine. And then as far as these reactions on the bottom, on Facebook, love, haha, anger. This is just the reactions to the actual Facebook ad posts. I don't mess with these, not really important. What you really need to focus on is just the likes, shares, comments. And sometimes you could just bump these up to a couple hundred if you want to. For this example, I'm actually not gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna click search and let's see what that gives us, right? So here's the products. I believe it refreshed. Let me refresh it one more time. Okay. So yeah, here's all the Facebook ads that have came up. I like to go to the top right here, and you can filter by post creation date, first seen, so on. I like to do shares. So I'll filter by shares. These are going to be the products that have the most shares to the least amount of shares. So I can go ahead and start scrolling through the different products, right? I actually saw this video before I even made this video, so it's a perfect example for this. It's Super Tots Food Pacifier. So this was last seen on June 8th, as you can see. It has 25,000 likes. You can see the different shares or the different reactions that it has. You can see that it has 32,000 shares, which is insane. So you could click on the Facebook button and it will literally bring up the Facebook post for you to see. So once this loads up, since it's taking 5 years, come on, there we go. Okay, so it's gonna show you the ad copy. You can go ahead and click on the actual physical website. So what I like to do is, okay, let's say for example, I thought that this was gonna be a winner. I maybe wanna sell this, right? I'm gonna go to their page. They don't even have the product running to the actual product page. If you click on the product, they have it just running to the website. So that's already a mistake right there. So what you're trying to do is you're trying to see, how can I come in and sell this product better than this person, right? So off the rip, that's already something right there. They're not even running it to the product page unless there's like a shot. I mean, you're just giving your customers another page that they have to go through to get to, checkout, which isn't really great. You always want to run your ads to the product page. So anyways, let's find the product. Here it is right here. Okay, so this is their product page. Now I would just go through this and I would say to myself, can I make this better? The description isn't the greatest. You could probably add some GIFs in there, add some more, the images aren't bad. It's not the greatest product page. I'm not trying to, dog anybody or anything like that, but you could definitely come in here and make it a lot better. Another good thing that you can do, say for example, you already have a winning product and you want to find out how you can make it better, or you just want to find out how you can make this product better from the get-go. I would like to come down to the comment section right here, and I'm gonna read through all of these comments, and I'm gonna see, what people are saying good about the product as well as bad. And I'm more so gonna focus on the negative comments, because if there's negative comments, that means there's ways that I could possibly improve the product. And I'll go through these, and if there's anything that I can improve, I'll go ahead and try and do that. A lot of the times you'll see that maybe, the shipping was slow or something like that. Those are easy fixes because you can just find a better supplier that'll give you faster shipping times, and boom, you're already better than the competition off the rip. So yeah, other than that, I mean, you kind of get the point. It's really, self-explanatory. The platform is very easy to use. You can click on details on a specific product, and you'll get a different kind of view of it. You can see like the countries, age, sex. You can see these different types of information, but nothing really too crazy. You can also see what other ad variations that they're running, which is kind of cool as well. But very simple platform, very quick tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Definitely hop on Dropispy. Once again, I'm not affiliated with this at all. I actually pay for this monthly. And I highly recommend it. It's a great way to fast track and find winning products. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, make sure you go ahead and drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And let me know in the comment section what exactly you guys want to see from me. If you guys have any video suggestions or anything you want to know more about, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I'll see y'all next time.